the most worn out part is right near the chuck. It's not as bad. Okay.
Shift it, you just shift it here.
Okay.
Turn the dial. We're in high.
Okay.
So it's going to be 145.
Now is this the range that...
This is the range that makes the gear noise.
Okay.
You know, go to shift, go up to 233.
Uh-huh.
Shift, 380.
And it sounds a little bit like the chuck there too.
Yeah. Shift. Right around this area here. Now, 570. See, that's the gear where the gears stop. That's where when you come back into shift. Anything above that sounds real nice.
570 and above?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Here's the low range.
Okay, here's
the
low range. So this would be 64 in the low range.
The low range is pretty much, here's like 42. Shift it. Here's like 21.
Gary, what were all those gears for?
It's for threading.
For threading? Okay.
Yeah. I'll stick it back in high.
All right.
Now we're in 255.
Okay.
Just to operate the shaft.
Okay.
You got your cross slide in and out. You got your apron.
Yep. Okay.
Back and forth. These are relatively in good condition. Take this handle out and use this handle here for shifting your feeds. You know, your feed shaft. This right here is your pull this handle up, or push it down, excuse me. And this is your for your threading. And this is your engagement port. Here's your thread dial.